Hi, Bruce from Safari, and we're in front of a 300 series ER Sport here, absolutely bulk standard. We're going to meet Phil Potter in a minute, and in the back of this 300 series we've put in the lifestyle case that you can see here, double induction. We've had it running, the Engel with the temp sensor in it, large storage and a table underneath, and then our little signature light on the back here. So white, amber, all the cabling is concealed. And then if we just have a look at the back here, I've got it plugged in with both solar. That's the solar cable. I've got the 240 plugged in, charging at the moment, inverter. Phil's got 400 amp hours in here, but it could be 600. We'll have space there to add it in. And then we've added the tie down rails on the top here, so he can put boxes in on the top. And let's go and meet Phil. How are you today, Phil?
Good, Bruce.
Now, why have you put the lifestyle case in this 300 series?
Look, I think it's great for weekends and shorter trips. Doesn't remove the ability to use the car day to day, and we can expand it by putting the seats back and putting other things in. Great for my wife and I.
Yeah, very good. And you've still got enough room on the top there to put items on the top, do you think?
Oh, 100%.
Yeah. So it's nice and flat. And you use everything in here? Use the induction, do you think, down on the beach?
We'll use everything.
Yeah.
Fridge, induction. We'll put little kitchen boxes on the top, a couple of chairs. It's so quick and easy.
Very good, Phil. Thank you for your business. And I've got to say, how good's that?
How good is that?
And Phil's got a Scotty AI. We've loaded the app up. What do you think, Phil? What's the feedback on our little app?
Well, it's going to work. It'll be good.
Yeah.
It's something for me to learn.
Very good. Thank you.